Hey guys, Doc. So I promised you guys a walk around on the new beach house, and that's what I'm going to do today. It's kind of hard for me to do this because I've got some old footage of what the house used to be, and I'm going to have to sort of mix it in. But the bulk of this project was the front porch. This house hadn't been touched in 21 years. It was nasty. Nothing had been done to it, so we had to completely redo the entire yard, the entire outside fence, the entire roof, the entire paint, the entire inside, and do a full addition of a front porch, because that's what this place was missing. That was the big part of this project, was adding a huge screen porch, which you're going to be amazed by. It came out phenomenal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this house, the front of the house, used to look like. Now, it just had a small 48-inch wide walk-around porch on it, and it had one set of stairs, and that's it. So it had one set of stairs on the front. Now, let me show you, I'm going to go and I'm going to show you what the new front porch, the addition, looks like before I take you inside and walk you around the rest of the house. So hold on. Okay, so this is what the front porch used to stop at right here. And now you can see that we have an addition. We walk into the addition, excuse the mess, we're a little bit messy today. And this is the new screened in front porch. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. So there is the new screened in front porch, dark stain on the floors, white ceilings, lights, ceiling fans, TV up top, absolutely gorgeous. So this is the area where we just live. We just live on the front porch. It's absolutely wonderful. It's all screened. It's comfortable. There's an ocean breeze through here all the time. Just really, really happy with this addition. Just amazing. So let me take you inside, and I'll start to walk you around and maybe mix in some old footage as well. So one thing I thought I should show you is that this used to be a solid door here, and the door opened in, and it took up so much room inside. And so what I did was I had them replace that door with a full glass door, which really opens up this porch area. And this door now opens out. We have a key. We have actually a punch code here. This door actually opens out into the actual porch, which opens up this area in here very nicely. Okay, so I'm just trying to find a quiet spot where I can talk to you guys because there's so much commotion going on today. Let me just throw up some old footage of the place. Now remember, this place hadn't been touched in 21 years. So let me try and find some footage of the kitchen. The kitchen was dark brown cabinets, white appliances. They were all rusting. It was horrible. The kitchen was just old and tired. We came in and I redid the entire kitchen. I did a video on painting the cabinets. So the kitchen has been redone. The living room, the whole place had parquet floors, old parquet floors that were falling apart, old nasty green sofas, dark walls, and of course that has all been redone. I'll show you that. The master bedroom had nasty drapes in it, some old wicker furniture. The bathrooms were just old and tired. They need to be redone. I completely redid that. I did a video about doing shiplap on them. Gosh, what else? The guest bedroom, everything inside the house was just old, dated, and tired. I mean, it was kind of depressing to be in here. So now that I've sort of shown you the basic overall old footage of the house and how kind of nasty it looked, let me just run through and show you what we've done over the past 6 months with the place. Everything has been completely changed and redone. So hold on. So as you can tell, the past couple of weeks have been exhausting because a lot of it has been the interior plus the exterior, landscaping, seating, doing all that exterior landscaping stuff. Let me just point out a couple cool things real quick. Like almost all the pictures in here are photographs that I've taken over the years, and we actually had them blown up and framed. Give you another example. All these pictures as well. Those are all just black and whites that I've shot. Kind of a funny story. These fish were hanging on the back fence and they were all rusted, and we actually loved them. And I said, let's bring them inside. So we threw them up on the wall. Just kind of quirky and cool. Again, another photograph that I shot, gosh, years ago, and we had it blown up and used that old frame that was here at the house. Let me show you something cool. When we had the floors put in, at the base of these stairs, I told them not to put the floors down, and they said, why not? It's going to look stupid. I said, because I think that there's wood underneath. And sure enough, there was these just blank boards, and so I hit them with a belt sander and just put some dark stain on them, and man, that just adds such a cool little touch. Just these rustic little boards at the bottom of these stairs. So let me walk you upstairs real quick to the mid floor and then the upper turret that actually looks out on the ocean. So this room was dark green carpet, dark green walls, and a nasty worn out ceiling fan. Again, we redid the whole thing, we painted it. We put down these cheap pine floors and stained them dark. I just wanted something cool and nautical. We'll probably turn this room into sort of a sitting room with a pull-out, day bed or something. Right now we're just using it for temporary storage. But now let me take you upstairs to the turret area. And this is the upper turret. So this had pink carpet and a pink ceiling and a nasty ceiling fan, so we replaced it with this little light fixture, cool light fixture. I need to respray this or do something because they put a new roof on the house. We had to have all these windows replaced. That was not cheap. But I put down that same cheap pine floor and pickled it. I think I did a video on that. We just pickled it. Came out really cool. But of course, what's nice is, of course, we can see the lighthouse from here, and we can see the ocean, and we can see the inlet. It's just a real nice place to hang out and have a beer, have a glass of wine. So just a really unique feature. Now I will show you that we had a brand new roof put on the house. I guess you can probably see it from here. Whole brand new roof, and these are GAF Timberline HDZ, which are rated for 130 mile an hour wind rating. So they're hurricane proof shingles. So those shingles thankfully were available. It was getting touchy due to COVID, but a brand new roof on the house. So now you know where I've been for the past few weeks. I get to go home and I get to see what my yard looks like after not being there for almost 6 weeks. My son's been there taking care of it, and it'll be interesting to see. I'll have a lot of update videos for you guys. And my grass is actually starting to germinate on the front. So I'll do a video on that too and show you that. A bunch of different videos. Hit subscribe and talk to you later. Bye.